everyone, this is Pratna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about keyword research. As we all know, SEO or search engine optimization is needed for your ranking. But the first and foremost step of SEO is keyword research. You need to put the right keyword on your website. So, if your website has the right keyword, then only your target audience will find you on search engine pages. Moreover, implementing the right keyword on your website also help you to rank above your competition. So now the question is how to find the right keyword for your website. So here I am going to tell you few tips which will definitely help you to choose the right keyword for your website. So here comes the step number 1. First, make a list of the topic on which you want to rank on the search engine pages. Because this is very much obvious, but you need to do it because you need to be absolutely clear about the topic based on what you want to draw traffic on your website. If you are absolutely clear, then only you can choose the relevant keyword for SEO. Otherwise, you will pick too much keywords and that will not help you at the end. After that, you need to understand the search intent. So analyzing search intent will help you to understand what your potential users are searching. So there are normally three kinds of search intent. Number 1 is navigational keywords. Users use these keywords to navigate to any web page, say Amazon.com. Number 2 is informational keyword. Users use this keyword to know about any information, say who is the founder of Amazon. And number 3 is the commercial keyword. Sometimes it is also called as transactional keyword. So this type of keywords are used when user want to make any purchase, say buy a laptop. So these are the kind of search intent which you need to understand before making your keyword list. So now you need to do the research work. There are many keyword research tools on the internet. So if you search on Google, you will also get some useful tools including Google Keyword Planner. So go there, do a thorough research work. You can also see the competition, search volume, CPC and many more things. Now choose the right keywords, and after that you need to think like a human too. But this is not enough. You need to do some overall research. Because you cannot depend on this tool totally, you need to analyze the competition as well. So go their website, see what keywords they are using, on what keywords they are ranking. After that, you can get a clear picture regarding the keywords. Then you choose the right keywords which will definitely help on your ranking. So now you need to take advantage of the long tail keywords. So let me tell you what is long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are the keywords which contains more than 3 words or phrases, because these are the keywords will definitely help you. So let me give an example of long tail keyword. So you are searching for digital marketing service. So if you search on Google like the best digital marketing company in Kolkata, so this is a kind of long tail keyword. So what happens in the long tail keyword, normally the competition is less. So obviously it will help you to rank easily, and moreover the long tail keyword also help you to understand user search intent. Say if a user is searching for digital marketing, then you don't know that if he wants to take digital marketing service or take a digital marketing course, so the intent is not clear. But in long tail keyword, he is searching for the best digital marketing company in Kolkata, which means obviously he is looking for the digital marketing service. So this is how long tail keyword is going to help you for ranking. So after doing all this research work, now you need to analyze or monitor how your keywords are actually doing. There are sometimes few trending keywords or phrases. Do not forget to use them and use all your keywords within the content, within the content of your website, because more you use the keywords within your content, it will be easier for your user to find you on Google, which will help in your ranking. So these were some basic tips which will help you do the keyword research for your business. If you need any further help, then comment below or you can contact me. My email address is given in the description box, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.